Are you tired of eating rice and potatoes with every meal? I have a quick recipe for a whipped cauliflower. This cauliflower has been cooked completely. It's still pretty hot. I microwaved it, but you can boil it. Just want enough to fill up your food processor. It's hot. Here we go. To that, I'm going to add some butter. Add some butter. A little bit of Swiss cheese. Just enough heavy whipping cream for it to mix well. A dash Dijon mustard and a pinch Italian parsley. You want to pulse it until it's just whipped, and then season with salt and black pepper. Give it one last little whir. And taste for seasonings. This is so much better than rice or potatoes. Something different. As a matter of fact, did you realize that Mark Twain said that cauliflower was cabbage with a college education? Just a little bit of trivia for you there.